Good morning. Grateful for another beautiful day. I had a late start today, and just to let you all know, I do have two Top Step X funded accounts, and that is what you are seeing right now. I am trading the Top Step X funded account. Um, I'm kind of going back and forth through NQ and MNQ charts on TradingView because I like trading off of the NQ chart and not the MNQ chart. Sometimes price doesn't align well. So you're going to see me going back and forth sometimes. But here, the first trade that I took was a loss. I tried to enter on that inverse fair value gap, but it didn't work out. I minimized my losses, as you all can see. My risk per position is $200, and I cut that short. You're going to see me take another position here. I thought that price was going to go down to previous day's lows. I waited a few minutes just to see what price was going to do, and it kind of respected that inverse fair value gap, so I took that short. I made a mistake of walking away from the computer and coming back to my position being stopped out. You're going to see me kind of mark out that fair value gap, but I let it go all the way down. And on the 15-minute chart or on the 1 hour chart, there's an order block right over here that you're going to see price tap into. I notated that on the TradingView chart. I didn't notate that on the MNQ chart, and I should have taken profit there, but it is what it is. I didn't. And price ended up coming back up into my stop loss, and it took me out. Let me know how y'all did so far in the comments below. I'm interested in how your journey is going as well. My journey has been quite interesting. It's been a little frustrating at times, but it's the growth process, right? All right, so I'm not sure what price is doing right now. I have a feeling that price may be headed up. I did mark this order block right here on an NQ chart, and it wicked exactly to the midpoint of this 1 hour order block. I had my sell limit order here first on the first position, but I'm not sure where price is headed right now, so I'm just gonna stand by. I am down 139.44 on the account right now, and by the way, this is my funded Top Step X account, so yeah, let's just sit tight, see what happens. All right, so over here, you're gonna see me take a long position, and my bias was correct actually. We were headed up. That 1 hour candle that wicked into that order block, the midpoint of that order block was a valid bounce, in my opinion. So I entered three contracts here so far. You're going to see that there, and I was managing my risk pretty well. At every single retracement, I added onto my position, and I think that's probably where I shouldn't have. But in my opinion, if the position is in the green and it's retracing back into a bullish PDRA, then I'm going to enter in. The problem is that every time I scaled in, my risk kept on increasing, and I should have taken profit there. I saw that too, and instead I added on to it as price was coming back down, and that candle should have been a signal to me to exit, because it was definitely bearish. Here you're going to see me switch over to my second funded account, and I'm still bullish here, but I ended up opting for a short because it created it broke that inverse fair value gap. You're also going to see me take profit soon because I saw that price was respecting an imbalance right there, that imbalance. There, I scaled out, and price definitely comes back down into optimal trade entry, and price wants to head back up. I notated this inverse fair value gap as well. I put a limit order for 5 contracts there. You're going to see that price actually wicked into it. I moved it up a little bit. There we go. And then price heads up. If I didn't scale out of this one, then I probably would have taken a loss. But I'm glad that I trailed my stop because price was moving very weird. Eventually, price hit my take profit. just not at this moment. Price actually came back down into that inverse fair value gap and then skyrocketed up. You're going to see that later. But over here, I decided that I was going to trail my stop just in case it wanted to retrace back. There we go. I took profit there. Price is coming back down into that fair value gap. And I try to take another long, and I actually take profit here as well, because that fair value gap was being respected. I have no idea what price is doing right now. I thought that the draw on liquidity was going to be these equal highs up here, where accumulation was on the 1 hour chart. And then I thought that draw on liquidity would have been down here, which is previous day's lows, because price had already taken previous day's highs, right? So I'm not sure what price is doing. Price is kind of just moving sideways at the moment, so I think this is a good place to stop. Today, on one funded account, I am up $268.88. On the first account that y'all saw, I am down $437.78. And I think this is a good place to kind of stop trading because I have no idea what price is doing at the moment. Like if you look at the chart right here on the NQ chart, price is kind of respecting the 930 open. It rebalanced this, so I think we're headed up, but price is just kind of chopping right now. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm and follow me on my journey to 100K. I did trade 2 funded accounts, so yeah, let's just see how these funded accounts go. Hopefully I won't blow them. My mindset right now is in a totally different place from where it was a couple months ago. So yeah, let's just see how things go. And thank you so much for all of y'all's support, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.